Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Just Natasha, coming back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. I know it's been a while since we've done like a sit down video, a you and me kind of video, just us here chilling, sipping on wine. I don't got none. But if you have a snack, it's all right. Just save some for me, okay? But yeah, I am going to be doing a throwback, a lazy girl hack today. Another one. I have been scrolling through my photos and I saw this old picture. Well, not just one, multiple of them. These old pictures of me, and I was like, okay, why not recreate one of these looks? As you guys know, I have a shortcut. It's something that's been happening for years. So maybe every 2 to 4 years, I do cut my hair. So it's a thing. It's not the first time, and it surely is not going to be the last time. So yeah, just bear with me. So I'm going to insert this photo or this photo or this photo on the screen, and you guys will see it. And I'm just like, back then, I wasn't natural. I wasn't a natural girl. My hair was permed, yes, but you know, you live and you learn. But now I am a natural girl and I do have a shortcut, so I have to find things that can protect my hair. I was tired of wearing my hair out because one, it is, you know, it's winter time and sometimes you need some hair to cover your neck. All my neck is like exposed, so girl, cover it up. So it's a choice. This is what my hair looks like, and please brace yourselves. Brace yourselves.
No.
Look at my peanut head. So as you can see, I shaved this side of my head. I just recently did that. Yes, I do cut my hair. I did braid my hair, and this is what it looks like. So I am going to be putting some braids on. Correction, some plaits. On the photos I showed you, I'll put it right here, I had braids in. There were individual braids that I think either my sister or my cousin did. Either one, I forgot. But they gave me some individual braids, and I had the sides and the back of my hair, you know, I had a buzz cut back there. So I'm like, okay, why not do it again? But this time, I am going to do the crochet method. Yeah, so I have crocheted my hair numerous times, but not like this. So we're gonna see if it works. I think I might be finished. I filled it in. I think what the braids in just like the top. And yeah, so that's it. It's, yeah, this is the look. It's not, yeah, this is the look. Nothing special. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.